Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. With Valentine's Day just around the corner and when strawberries are in season, I thought it would be perfect to share a sweet and delicious recipe that's sure to impress your loved one. This is the famous chocolate strawberry recipe which has become viral in London and all around the world as well. I named it as Strawberry Bliss. This is one of the easiest sweet treats you can serve during Valentine's Day or any other occasion when strawberries are in season. Let's get started. Today's recipe features fresh strawberries and chocolate sauce. First thing first, we need to clean the strawberries thoroughly. Plain water is not enough, so we will be cleaning it with vinegar and baking soda, so that we get rid of any pesticides or bacteria that might be there on the fruit. Once the strawberries are soaked for 10 minutes, we will wash them under fresh water and pat them dry. The strawberries are now ready to be used. You can store them in the refrigerator or use them for any recipes of your choice. Now we will remove the green part or the stem of the strawberries and prepare them for Strawberry Bliss. Now let's prepare the chocolate sauce. The most trickiest part of this recipe lies in making the perfect chocolate sauce. For the chocolate sauce, we need to melt milk chocolate. You can do it in a double boiler or in the microwave, like I have used for melting the chocolate. Once the chocolate has melted, we need to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil for a rich and smooth texture of the chocolate sauce. Now it's time to assemble our strawberries. So let's take a bowl and add them one by one. Once the strawberries are assembled, let's pour the chocolate sauce. Now garnish it with some choco chips and our Strawberry Bliss is ready to be served. Dear viewers, I hope you enjoyed making this simple and delicious strawberry dessert with me. Do try this viral recipe of London. I named it Strawberry Bliss. What did you name it? Do let me know in the comment section below. For more such recipes, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon for further notification. Till then, this is Traditional Tales signing off for the day. Happy Valentine's Day and happy cooking.